Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to show note names in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you're not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page where you can find all the instruments you can access. You have your audio recorder option right here and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started with showing the note names in our tracks. So the first thing I'm going to do is to open up the tracks where I want to see the note names. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this audio recorder option right here, where you can see this is going to open up this recording menu. You can open up any of the instruments, it doesn't matter, it's all going to open up the same menu, where in the upper left corner you'll have this button in the middle that's going to open up this edit mode. So in this edit mode, you'll be able to find all the tracks that you're using and that you have and that you can get started with editing. So as you can see here, I have my drums and keyboard track. And now let's say I want to see what notes have been played and I want to see what note names are used. So what I have to do is click on the track right here and tap on it. After tapping on it, this is now going to open up this menu where one of the options is going to be called edit. So what you want to do is click on edit, and after clicking on edit guys, now you can see what notes are being played and where and how. So here you can see all the note names. You can get started editing them, you can add more and so on, and this is how to get started doing so. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.